Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you the best options trading journal. Start by selecting a structured options journal tool or spreadsheet that lets you record entry price, strike, expiry, direction, and trade thesis in one clean layout. Now create a consistent pre-trade checklist where you note market conditions, volatility levels, expected move, and the reason for choosing the specific options contract. Log every trade immediately after placing it, including contract Greek, delta, theta, vega, so you can later understand how they influenced your trade outcome. Record your risk management plan for each position, including stop loss level, profit target, and maximum acceptable drawdown. Track real-time adjustments such as rolling up or down, changing strikes, or exiting early with a short explanation of why you made each move. Here, capture emotional states and mindset before, during, and after the trade to identify psychological patterns that affect your performance. After that, add screenshots of chart at entry and exit to visually compare how the setup evolved and what signs confirmed or invalidated your thesis. Review the trade after closing it, noting whether your thesis played out as expected, and highlight what worked well and what didn't. Calculate win rate, risk-reward ratio, expectancy, and average P or L per trade weekly or monthly to measure improvement and accuracy. Turn insights into rules by creating a lesson learned section where recurring mistakes and winning patterns become future trading guidelines. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.